Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain about pollution. What is environmental pollution? The undesirable change in physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air, water or land that causes harmful effect on environment is called as environmental pollution. By that we will discuss one by one. First one is air pollution. Definition: causes, effects and control measures of air pollution. The word pollution has been taken from Latin word pollute, means to defile or to make dirty. Air pollution. It is an undesirable change in physical, chemical and biological characteristics of air that causes harmful effect on environment. The substance that causes air pollution is called as pollutant. Air pollution is also defined as any qualitative as well as quantitative change in normal composition of air which is injurious to human, plant, animal life or to property. Causes of air pollution. The pollution of air mainly caused by man-made activities and natural activities. In that man-made activities, first one, burning of fossil fuels in industries, thermal power plants, automobiles and domestic, that produces some toxic gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides. The combustion of fossil fuel like coal, petroleum and other factory combustibles that produces sulfur dioxide. Carbon monoxide released by incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Nitrogen oxides, they are majorly released from the automobiles while combustion of petroleum. Second one is agriculture activities. In the agricultural activities, ammonia is common byproduct and is one of the hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Third one is exhaust from factories and industries that produces carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and organic compounds. Fourth one is mining operation. Mining means the extraction of the ore. During the process of mineral extraction, the dust and chemical release into the air. Indoor air pollution. The household cleaning products, painting, supplies emit toxic chemical into the air. In the kitchen, cooking, cigarette, the smoking will come. Sixth one is suspended particulate matter, SPM. It is caused by the combustion, mining and steel mills. Seventh one is waste deposition. In landfills generate methane is a greenhouse gas. Waste treatment. Incinerators produces polluted gases like dioxins and furans. The military operations. Nuclear weapons, toxic gases, germ warfare and rocketry. 10th one is lead batteries. On overcharging, lead acid batteries produces hydrogen sulfide gas which is very poisonous, flammable and has the odor of rotten eggs. Next is air pollution by natural activities. Dust and other suspended particulate matter. By the digestion of food by animals, the methane gas is produced by the cattle. Marshy area. Methane is released by the anaerobic decomposition of organic substances by microorganisms. Radioactive decay. Radon gas is released from the earth crust by the radioactive decay. Wildfires. Wildfire means forest fires. Means that a fire is accidentally comes by the natural processes. Smoke and carbon monoxide. Vegetation. Through the plants, the pollen spores that makes the air pollution. Then volcanic activities that produces sulfur, chlorine and ash particulates. Effects of air pollution. Sulfur dioxide that causes irritation to the nose, eyes, throat, coughing, shortness of breath, chest pain, can be fatal for long exposure. Reduce stomatal opening, reduces the rate of photosynthesis and acid rain. Carbon monoxide. Hemoglobin accepts carbon monoxide 200 times more readily than it accepts oxygen and forms carboxyhemoglobin. Symptoms: headache, dizziness, weakness, vomiting, chest pain, suffocation, and also causes death. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide causes headache and nausea. Carbon dioxide is one of the greenhouse gas. It causes global warming. Oxides of nitrogen. It affects on respiratory system and coughing, throat irritation, chest pain, fever, acid rain by the oxides of nitrogen. Next one is chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Also causes depletion of ozone, and also it is a greenhouse gas. Mainly the chlorofluorocarbons that are emitted by the refrigerants that causes the damage of ozone layer. Lead. It affects central nervous system, kidney and abdominal pain. Ozone. By the depletion of the ozone, it causes irritation, eyes, nose, throat and respiratory system, lung diseases. It also affects on other animal and plants. The suspended particulate matter that causes asthma, lung cancer, respiratory diseases and birth defects. Photochemical smog. Smog means it is the combination of smoke and fog. PAN, peroxyacyl nitrate. It is an eye irritant, impaired breathing, mutagenic. Mutagenic means it is carcinogenic or cancer causing agent. Hydrocarbons that causes eye irritation, coughing, sneezing and carcinogenic. Next, the air pollution also causes global warming, climate change, acid rain, ozone layer depletion. Effects on aquatic as well as terrestrial organisms. It affects on buildings, monuments and materials. The loss of biodiversity and migration of species. Because of destruction of the biodiversity, the plants are as well as animals that going to migrate to get their needs. Next, control of air pollution. What are the control measures? Using unleaded petrol, using fields with low sulfur and ash content, and using the public transport. Houses, schools, hospitals, restores are not located on busy streets. Afforestation. Afforestation means the construction of the forest in the barren land where there is no forest area. That is called as afforestation. Next is reforestation. Reforestation means the growing of the plants where it is destroyed by the natural activities or man-made activities, because previously there is a forest. That is called as reforestation, means refilled by the forest. Then agroforestry and social forestry program. So plants as trees, they are the natural absorber of pollutants, because these pollutants can only absorb by the plants and pure the environment. Ban on deforestation and shifting cultivation. Deforestation means destruction of forestation is completely prohibited. Industries and waste disposal sites should be situated outside the city. Catalytic converters should be used to help control emissions of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Next, the pollution can be controlled by gravity settling chambers, filters, electrostatic precipitator and cyclone collectors. These are the equipments to control the pollutions. Next is gaseous pollutants can be controlled by absorption, adsorption, packed covers, wet scrubbers, condensation and incineration of the polluted gas or toxic gases. Then the government has some legislative measures to control the air pollution, that are Air Pollution and Control Act 1981, Environmental Pollution Act 1986, Forest Conservation Act 1980, local, national and international programs and cooperations between the society, and educate the people, and then fill full awareness about these forests to recover the air pollution. Thank you.